If you want to reduce the background noise during calls on the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, or the Plus, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. First of all, just go to Settings, then tap on Accessibility. Under the Accessibility settings, you will find the section of Audio and Visual. Just tap on it, and over here you will find a feature called Add Voice Isolation. Now just enable this toggle. After you enable Add Voice Isolation, then if someone calls you or if you call someone, for example, I will call this contact. Now if I open the control center, you will find this option in the control center. Just tap on it, and from here, instead of automatic, just select voice isolation. And after you do that, you will reduce the background noise during calls on your iPhone. Just like that. And this is how you can reduce the background noise during calls on the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, or the Plus. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.